Hello. Hello everyone. Hello. So today we are talking about our ZigBee 5-in-1 AD controller here. So today the topic is 5-in-1 AD controller. This one. See. This is our bigger size ZigBee 5-in-1 AD controller. You all know we have also the milli-size AD controller, but since this one is bigger size, obviously it means this one can be loaded with more power of AD strip lights. So see, this is the color box for our 5-in-1 AD controller. So inside the box there is a user manual, and also there is one sticker for you to mount the controller onto the wall. For example, today mostly I'm going to show you how to use our AD controller, ZigBee 5-in-1 controller. For example, when you have different AD strip lights, you will need to make some settings on our controller. So today I'm going to show you how to use our controller to connect with different colors of AD strip lights. So I have also brought one rear of RGB strips. This is RGBCCT AD strip lights. You can see there is RGB LED, and also there is warm LED and cool white LED. This is RGBCCT AD strip lights. 5-meter length with 24-volt input. As it's written on the sticker of the strip back, it is 21 watts per meter. So totally it is 105 watts. This strips. Well, from the circuit print of our controller, the input voltage is 12 to 54 volt. So this strip is absolutely can be used with our controller. And there is a parameter, the max power can be loaded to our controller. So the max is 270 watts. The max watts to be loaded with our controller. You see it here. So this is the max watts for when the controller connected with 54 volt AD strips. So but now we are using 24 volt AD strips. Actually, when you use this kind of AD strips, the max power can be loaded with our controller can reach 240 watts to be loaded with our controller when you are using 12 volt AD strips connected with our controller. So please remember, this is a reminder for you when you use 12 volt 24 volt AD strips. But also there is strips with 12-volt input design. So what the max was can be loaded with our controller when you are using 12-volt addressables. I can tell you, when you are using 12-volt addressables, the max watts can be 120 watts to be loaded with our controller when the strip is 12-volt input design. Okay, so actually you can find more info of the max watts to be loaded with our controller from our product description. There's more details from our product description. Also, you can consult with our sales when you are looking for our controller, ZigBee controllers. Okay, so right now I'm showing you how to connect with the strips. Okay, let's get started. So what I need is a controller and this tool for you to press the controller to insert the wire into the terminal. But this is a common tool. You can also use some other tools yourself. And also this pin is used when you make resetting. You see, there is a reset key on our controller. So when you use such kind of pin, you can make quick and easy resetting back to factory reset mode by using such kind of pin. So here, controller, two kinds of tools, and also the strips. See the strips, 12-volt strip, RGBCCT strips, and also I have prepared the power supply, 24-volt output. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, let's wire so this is the RGBCCT strip, common anode design. We need to put the anode wire into the controller. I'm doing. Sorry. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see it. Can you hear me? We just need to press. Our controller is press and insert design. You can make a very easy and quick connection with the strips. Okay, R to R. R means the wire for red color. So we insert into the red terminal. The terminal marked with red. So there are two lost words. Okay, so totally inserted into the terminal and connected with our controller. See? Okay. Now let's put the DC input into our controller. This is the parcels DC input. Let's see. Here. Okay. The strip is not part of. Now let's turn on the power. Turn on the power supply. Here. No. Sorry. So main power is not part on just now. Okay, now let's try again. There's some okay, now the strip is turned on. All the light source, all the LED are turned on. RGB color. Now you see the strip is turned into green color. That means the strip is found by our other department because they are doing the testing. So this controller has already been found by our other colleagues. They are doing the testing. So firstly, we need to make resetting. Okay, since there is a reset key on our controller, we can make the quick resetting directly by pressing the reset key here. I'm making the resetting factory reset. Let's try it. Well, we only need to short press 4 times, and the strips will blink 4 times. It means the resetting done successfully. Let's try it out. One, 2, 3. Let's check the user manual. Short press 4 times. Let's try again. Also, you can make resetting by power on off 4 times. 4 times. It can be also reset. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try again. Okay. Just repeat. So all the light source, the LED or powered on, that means the factory reset is done successfully. You see all the. Well, the strip is found by the other ZigBee device already. Well, let's try it. Try to search it by amp. Because for Gledopto, we are mostly using Philips Hue bridge to connect with our ZigBee controllers and ZigBee lights. So this time I'm also trying to use Philips Hue amp to control our controllers. Let's see if we can find this controller on the amp. Let's try it. I'm using Philips Hue. Download. We have already downloaded the latest version of Hue amp. Check it. Okay, already downloaded. Okay, so I have already created a room here. This is the new room I have. This is the new room I have created. Now there is no lights in this room. Okay, let's add lights. I want to add this controller into this room. This controller. So firstly, I need to add lights. Firstly, let's try to click add lights. Add new lights. Can you see it? Can you see it clearly? Add the new lights here. Okay. Let's search it. Firstly, search. Alright, let's power on, turn off and turn on the controller again. No lights. It may take a while. Low lights found. Why there is low lights found on Hue amp? Because this controller has already been found by the other our colleague doing the testing. So we need to make the controller back to factory resetting mode. Let's power on off 5 times, not 4 times, 5 times directly until you see all the LED are lighted on it means the factory resetting is done successfully. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's already flashed. Now the resetting is done successfully because all the LED is powered on. Let's try to synchronize again. Okay, let's retry to search the light. When we search the lights, we will need to turn off the controller and turn on it again. Now let's firstly search. Do the step search firstly. Okay, just the amp is searching. Now let's turn off the controller. Turn it off and turn it on again. I do it. I'm turning it off. Let's see if we can search it. Low lights. Let's try it again. If the amp have found the controller, the light will turn into green. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Not sure why. It would be because the network would be not very stable, so it's not easy to find this light. We're searching. Now we need to make factory resetting to this controller again because the controller is already found by other colleagues that are doing the testing. Okay. So because there is the reset key on our controller, we can do the factory resetting directly on this controller. No need to power on 5 times or delete from the amp. We can try it again. Okay. Need to based on the manual. Based on the manual, when you do the factory resetting, you need to short press here. Can you see it? Short press the reset key 4 times quickly. So let's try it again. Maybe 5 times, because we are always updating our firmware. So it makes sense because we are always updating our firmware. There might be some changes. Let's try it again. Sorry. Can I see it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See? Very easy to make a factory resetting by press the reset key, because if you know about Gledopto, because we have been doing a ZigBee controller for many years. In the before, there is no reset key on our controller. So when you do the factory resetting, the only way, there are two ways, but mostly you need to power on off 5 times. But now we have the reset key. You can make the factory resetting directly by pressing the reset. Actually, we have many controllers. See, I have also bring other controllers, lots of controllers, and also there is a mini controller. Okay, now all our controllers, there is the physical reset key on the controller, so you can make the factory resetting directly by press the reset key. Very easy to do the factory resetting. Now, as you see, I have already made the factory resetting, but the light has turned into green because this device, this controller, it's found by our other colleagues. Okay, I have to make a factory resetting again. That's right. It's very easy. Let's do it again. 4 times. Here there is a small hole. See? Can see it clearly? Small hole. You will need a tool like this pin. I'm sure you can find it yourself. Okay. Let's short press 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's not done successfully, but we can try it again. It's not difficult. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's done. Let's try to press 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I don't know why it's not successful. Let's try it again. It should be done successfully after short pressing 4 times. Anyway, we try it again. Okay. Let's do it like this. We turn the lights off and turn it on again. Try it and turn it. Turn off. Turn it on. And now we do the resetting again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So now the controller is back to factory reset mode. We've done it successfully. Finally. Now we try to search lights again on AMP. Okay, we're trying. We're adding this controller to this room. I limit as live this room. There's low light. Now let's do it. add new lights. Can see it. New light. Okay. You need to search. Firstly, when you search the lights, you need to power off the controller and power on it again. This time we power it off and power on it again. Then we search. Okay. Power on. Search. Just searching. Let's see if we can find it. We can search the light this time. Low lights. Well, because we are the factory, we are always doing testing with our controllers and lights. So there's some of our other colleagues doing testing. This would affect that we use the amp to connect our controller. Try it again. Let's see if the Wi-Fi let work. Try it again. So the strip is already under resetting mode. Already light on. There are three hub hue bridge found. Setup. Okay. You need to. We have one bridge in this room, so I'm going to tap the button. Smooth down the second. Try it again. Somebody would ask why we are using Philips Hue bridge and its amp so frequently, because we think for smart lighting, Hue is the best option, because there are so many features you can find from Hue amp. Okay. Open. So now we are in the room, live room. We add lights. We want to add this controller into this room. Okay, we add lights. See it. Add lights. Add new lights. Okay, we search firstly We search firstly, okay. Now we power off the controller and power on it again. Let's see if we can find it. We can find the controller this time. Search. Searching. What is? Find one light. Okay. You see, the light it turns to green. Let's see if no. So this light is not the controller. Let's skip. This is not, here it says color lights. This is not the controller. This is not the controller. Because if the controller should be found by the other device. Anyway, it takes time. Well, because there's other colleagues doing the testing, so our connection, when we search the lights, it must be affected by our other colleagues right now. Anyway, we try it again. Power on. Okay, the strip is already under factory reset mode. Let's try to add lights. Add new lights. Search. Okay, power off. Power on. Okay, so the strip has turned into green color, but we are still not sure if the controller found by this Hue device, Hue amp. Let's see it. No. No, it's not found by this. Maybe the network is not very good. So I cannot show you how to connect our controller with Hue amp right now. But there are so many product description, and also we have made so many videos by using our controller with Hue MP. So we are very much sure that our controller can work perfectly with Hue bridge. So except for controlling our controller by amp, and also you can make voice controlling. For example, by Alexa, is also available to control the lighting change after connecting the strips with our controller. Now, We have received the feedbacks from the customers because not all customers prefer to use AMP, or sometimes we just don't want to speak. So in this situation, we can also use our remote to control our controller, because this is a ZigBee Pro version controller from us. What is a ZigBee Pro? It means it has combined two protocols. One is ZigBee 3.0 protocol, and also the other controlling protocol is RF. So when we use the remote to control the lighting, it means we are using RF, no ZigBee network needed. And this is also our latest new remote, handheld remote. Suppose 8 groups controlling. See, 8 groups. The old remote supports 6 groups controlling. So I'm going to show you to control the controller by this handheld remote. This is our latest one. So, okay. Firstly, we need to pair the controller with this remote. Firstly, we need to power off the controller, and within the 3 seconds, when you power on the controller again, you short press any of these ones, the on button. The light will turn into green. It means the remote and the controller has been successfully paired. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to group this controller into the last zone, the 8th zone, this zone, the last zone. Okay. Turn off. Turn on. I'm going to group the controller into the 8th zone. Turn on and short press. Actually, the light, because the light is already green when the controller paired with this remote, you cannot notice the pairing is done successfully. So let's change the color by the remote to see if the color can be changed. Choose red color. See, the strip is red. This is red color. Okay. A blue. So the controller is successfully paired to this remote. On off, master off, master on. Because the controller is paired into the 8th zone. Let's turn. You can also make on-off control by the zone, by sub zone. Turn off. Turn on. Okay. You can also tune the color from warm to core white. See, from warm white. This is warm color. And white color, warm color, white color, and also dim the brightness. can press. And also there are nine preset lighting modes when you use this remote make the controlling. Just by pressing the M button, the mode key here. Can you see it here? Okay, I'm pressing it. Warm color, warm white. Press one time. Mix white color. Warm LED and cool white LED are turned on at the same time, and this is cool white. Only the cool white LED being turned on. Single color, red color, green color, blue color, and now it's RGB gradually changing, fade in, fade out. We can we can adjust the speed, the changing speed. There is S minus and S plus key. Let's press. Let's see. Very slowly change very slowly. Speed up. So this is RGB, not fade in, fade out, but it's RGB circling. R to green to blue, then back to green, back to red. Okay, let's try the next mode. This is the flickering, RGB flickering. Some are you can adjust the speed. Okay, let's try the next mode. This is the breeze mode, red breeze. But also you can change the color to breathe in different colors. Breathe. And also one more. This is the last mode. This is the last mode. And you press again, it will return to first mode. See, this is the first mode, warm color. Press. You can press the M button, the mode key to change into different modes, lighting mode, the preset mode. But also the lighting modes can be tailor-made. We can make the mode according to your requirements. So this is the controlling by our handheld remote, because some customers do not want to use amp or by intelligent speaker. They can also use our remote to control the lighting. No network needed. Very simple and also very reliable. This remote is available for controlling all our ZigBee Pro series. ZigBee Pro lights and the controllers were available. So now this controller is already paired to our remote. Also, there is some of our clients ask us how to unpair the remote with the controller. Now, let's I will show you how to do the unpairing. Okay. The remote is still paired to our controller. Okay. Now let's unpair the remote with our controller. Firstly, you need to power off the controller, then power on, and because the controller is paired into the last zone, the eighth zone, you need to short press the on button 4 times. Let's try it. Turn off. Turn on. Quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's not done successfully. Let's try it again. 2. Maybe we need to long press. Some more time. Okay, let's see. The lights flash 4 times quickly, and then it stays mixed white or LED light tone. It means the unpairing is done successfully. I'll show you once again. I'll show you once again. I'm going to pair the controller to the 8 zone, the last zone again. Okay. Turn on. Short press once. Now the light turns into green. It means the remote is paired with the controller. Okay. Now I'm showing you how to do the unpairing again. Turn off. Then I will short press this key, zone on key 4 times. Quickly. Okay, until you see flash 3 times. And then all the LED light down. It means the unpairing is done successfully. Okay, this is the remote. Today I mostly want to show you how to control our controller by Hue app, but it's not successfully. I'm trying to do it right away. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Okay. The same. I'm going to put the controller, this light, into the left room. Here, left room. Search at lights. Add new lines. Search a power on the controller. Let's see. Let's see if we can find the controller this time. See it. Low lights found. Maybe the network is not very good. This. Well, so maybe we show you how to control it by hue amp next time. Next time we will show you how to make the controlling. So hue amp is just one of the controlling way, because we are using standard ZigBee 3.0 protocol. Not only hue bridge, it can work with the major ZigBee hubs in the market. Like Homey, Amazon, Alexa devices with ZigBee hub built in. Also works with Habitat. Of course, works with Tuya as well. So actually today I have bring lots of controllers here. Lots. Controller, we are the professional edge controller manufacturer. These are the main products from us. These are the mini ones, mini. For example, if you only need to connect with 5 meter length edge strips, so this mini ones would be also a very good option for you, for your consideration. These mini ones. And this is the bigger size, 5-in-1. That's it. This is the bigger size 5-in-1 edge controller. We have two designs. See, bigger one for higher power edge strip lights. For example, some customers want to connect 2 pieces of strips, like 10 meters. This one would be a very good option. If only 5 meter length edge strips, this mini one will be also a very good option for you to use, because the price is more competitive. Okay, this one is the big size, can be used for longer edge strips lights. These two are the 5-in-1 controller design, and also we have the controllers for different edge strips. For example, this one is for RGBCCT strip, RGBW strips. This is for dual white color edge strips. This is for the single color edge strips. For example, if your strip is warm white color, this one is especially for these strips. This is the RGBCCT H3 controller. We have many. We have also the mini version of controllers. And this is the USB 5-port H3 controller, ZigBee controller. This is also a ZigBee Pro version. Yes, there is the input is USB. For example, if you have a adapter, you can connect our controller, this one, to your adapter directly. You have a power bank. Well, it also can be very easy for you to connect our controller with your power bank. We have some customers have made a tailor-made design of this one. We have already made a tailor-made controller, USB controller for some customers. Okay, so today this is all we want to show you today, because maybe the network is not good. We have not successfully made the connection of our controller with the Hue amp. So next time we will show you again. So thank you for watching. We see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.